Today, the Old International is getting a new seat cover for the bench seat. Went into town this morning to the post office and picked up the package. And there you can see the condition of the seats. Can't really afford to reupholster it right now. So I'm going to put a seat cover on it, and hopefully that'll help protect it a little bit. And I'll show you the end results when I finish. Now I chose a tan saddle blanket seat cover from Seat Covers Unlimited. Supposedly a universal bench seat cover. And hopefully it will do the job, protect the seat a little better until maybe sometime in the future I can get it reupholstered. But the tan seems to match the interior a little better, I think, than some of the other colors. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. So here is the seat cover installed. There are some pockets on the front for putting things in. Let's see if you can see that. They're just sewn into the front. There also are some slots or some spaces to put your seat belt through. Now, is it perfect fit? No, but I don't know if there's any standard size bench seat, and unless you get one made especially for an international of this year, probably not going to get a perfect fit. But it does fit pretty well. They give you a whole bunch of these twine or rope, and I used some on the sides. I haven't cut the excess off yet. I used some on the sides and the front on just the kind of the ends. I didn't do the middle yet. But then I realized, in the back, there's a lot of places you can attach things. And tying the ropes or the twine or whatever between all these loops, trying to make it nice and snug, just really wouldn't work too well. So I got a bunch of bungee cords, just put them through the loops that they've got sewn in on the sides all around, and just attached it to different spots in the back. Made it snug, didn't want it too tight because I don't want it, eventually basically breaking the loops that they've got sewn in here. But, for what I want, something to protect the seat, and it's really a pretty thick blanket type material, saddle blanket, whatever you want to call it. And I like the outcome. I think it'll work well, for now. And just a side note, when I opened the package up, it smelled kind of like cigarettes, but it smelled a lot like when I was a kid. We used to go down to Nogales, right on the border with Arizona and Mexico, and a lot of the shops all smelled the same, kind of the same smoky smell, but also kind of had a little bit of a leather smell to them. There was a lot of leather being sold in the shops, so this kind of brought back some memories when I was installing it. It's like, wow, I remember going down to Nogales when we were kids and going to all the shops and how fun it was. And just that smell of the shops, that's what this kind of smells like. And this is made in Mexico, which is pretty good, pretty cool. Seemed to be pretty good quality. Kind of the same saddle blankets. If you go down to Mexico, you can buy them down there. Overall, pretty happy with it. Easy to install. Instructions weren't that great, but you kind of figure it out on your own and you can improvise. So there you have it. And I bought this on Amazon. I'll put it in the link or in my store, my affiliate store. So look forward to going for a ride now.